Good morning. Here I am with my channel Splash the Knowledge. Here today I'll present another video. I'm here with one of the reader like Floppy Floppy. Floppy Floppy. This is the Oxford reading tree. Let's again start from call reading activity. The name of this reader is Floppy Floppy. Floppy Floppy. The publisher of this book is Oxford Reading Tree. The publisher of this book is Oxford Reading Tree, and the authors of this book are Roderick Hunt and Alex Brishta. Roderick Hunt and Alex Brishta. Let's see and read the story. Oh, Floppy. Oh, Floppy. No, Floppy. No, Floppy. No, Floppy. Oh, Floppy. Oh, Floppy. No, Floppy. No, Floppy. No, Floppy. Floppy Floppy. Floppy Floppy.